Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling not working in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the option airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times, then scroll down and click on system and update. Now on top you can see the option software update. Now click on it, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset, and then again click on reset phone. Now in last you can see the option erase all data option. It means factory data reset. Now click on it. Now enter your password to erase all your data. It will destroy all the settings or data in your device like photos, videos, any personal data. After that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.